Welcome to SVR IAS Online Academy Current Affairs Video Lectures. Today's date is November 4th, 2015. Visit our website commandindia.com for prelims and mains video lectures in the online mode. Let's start today's current affairs video lecture. The first topic of the day is Project Loon. Project Loon is very important for Civil Services exam 2015 as well as 2016. In 2015, you can expect one question in the mains examination. Also about white spectrum, internet.org. All are interrelated. These are linked to Facebook. Project Loon is a project launched by Google, and Whitespace Spectrum and Internet.org are a project related to the Facebook. In our Target IAS 2016 batch video lecture, we covered in detail about white spectrum and its mechanism of functioning and its importance. Now let's discuss about Project Loon. It is launched by Google. Under Project Loon, what Google does, it launches big balloons with instruments at a height of 20 kilometers above the earth for transmission of the internet services. Google launches big balloons with all instruments and launches above the earth up to 20 kilometers in the stratosphere. The very important prelims point is Google places balloons in the stratosphere, not in the troposphere. It is a very important prelims point for 2016 examination. Recently, Google approached our government to set up Project Loon and drone-based internet transmission. It is considered as a revolutionary one. How to understand much better about Project Loon, you should understand how internet services are transmitted at present. Now we will explain you in layman terms how you are getting internet connection. It is not only for civil services exam, because you are using internet for WhatsApp, Facebook on your daily life. Whether it's a 2G is now becoming redundant. Now we are using 3G. 4G is slowly getting into the picture, and 5G may come to India in near future. So how we are getting internet services? At present, ISRO, which is India's space agency, builds communication satellites called as GSAT. It is numbered as GSAT 5 or 6 or 7, etc. Communication satellites are heavy weight. To launch heavy weight, we need a strong launch vehicle. At present, India's communication satellites are launched with the help of France government. If you go to South America map or locate the South America in your atlas, at the top rightmost corner you can see the one government called as French Guiana. French Guiana. It is a part of France where it built Ariane space launch vehicle system. So our communication satellites, GSAT satellites, are launched from Ariane Space Vehicle Launch Center. India is building GSLV satellite launch vehicles, which can launch the heavy satellites like communication satellites in near future. Once satellite is successfully placed, consider it as a satellite. Once it's successfully placed, Government of India allocates spectrum to the internet service providers or cellular service providers like Airtel, Vodafone, etc. They will set up cell phone towers in various places wherever the demand is high. The cell phone towers will receive signal from the satellite, and each tower provides a range. Within a range, the people will get signal for internet. It is the current mechanism of getting the 2G or 3G services in India. How Project Loon or wide spectrum will change the story of getting this internet connection. Project Loon is a project of Google. Now it is called as Alphabet. It is a balloon powered internet connection for everyone. Under Project Loon, Google will launch balloons at stratosphere. Don't forget the stratosphere layer. As you know, atmosphere has 4 to 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, etc. To understand much better about layers of the atmosphere, visit our website and go to Geography View Lectures. And if you're interested, you can join our Target IAS 2016 combo course. Google itself will not indulge in the providing internet connection. The cellular service providers like Airtel, Vodafone and other companies can approach the Google and they can provide the connection directly to the people. Every balloon can provide an internet connection to an area of 40 to 80 kilometers. The specific point about stratosphere is it has wind speed in a specific direction. One layer it may go in this direction. Under Project Loon, the balloons are placed or floating in the stratosphere, and the specific feature of the stratosphere is that there are many layers of the wind and each layer of wind varies in direction and speed. If you look at the image, you can understand much better. Specific point in the stratosphere layer is that it has many layers. Every layer has wind speed differs from each layer. Here it may be 30, here it may be 40, etc. And direction of the wind speed also differs in each layer. Here it goes in the right direction, here it goes in the left direction. It's a specific feature about stratosphere. Google wants to use this specific feature to its advantage of providing the internet to all. How? By placing the balloon here, it will provide connection to the people located here. The range may be 40 to 80 kilometers. If people move to this direction, the balloon can also be moved in this direction and it can cover another location. So balloon is not static. If whenever we need, we can move the balloon to other location. Here are two important points: that there is no need for cell phone tower. No need for cell phone towers. Cell phone tower operates based on the electromagnetic radiation. There is plenty of studies and reports coming that electromagnetic radiation may pose harm to our health. Cell phone towers may harm our health. Under Project Loon, there is no need for cell phone towers. And second important prelims point is that under Project Loon, internet connection can be provided to the tribal areas and less populated areas as well. These are the two important points you should remember in Project Loon. Next topic is bamboo fields. It is coming in the news that saffron cultivation in India faces lot of problem. Here you may get a question on this: where mainly saffron is grown in India? What are the problems that saffron cultivators face? What about India, Government of India's National Saffron Mission, its objectives and significance and its achievements? What needs to be done to encourage the saffron cultivation in India? So prepare well on this topic for mains examination. Here the bamboo field is located in the Jammu and Kashmir. It is world famous for its saffron. Bamboo fields are also called as Saffron Town of Kashmir. Saffron Town of Kashmir. In Kashmir Valley, more than 90% of the saffron cultivation or saffron comes from bamboo upland. So it's an important point and important for prelims examination. The third topic is Maldives. What should you study from the Maldives? Recently, Maldives declared state of emergency. Maldives coming in the news frequently. From civil service point of view, what should you learn from the Maldives? Maldives is coming in the news frequently, like opposition leader Muhammad Nazid arrested, and almost 1 year it came in the news and released. Recently, Vice President of Maldives arrested, and third reason is that recently declared state of emergency, and fourth issue is that whether Maldives moving closer to China. The Muhammad Nazir is considered as India friendly, and the apprehension is that at present Maldives moves away from India and moves closer towards China. So in this background, you should understand well about Maldives. And another angle to study for civil service exam is that you have to compare the Indian constitution with the constitution of Maldives. Why there's a crisis in the Maldives? What about its own constitution? What is the position of the president of Maldives, etc.? Whenever you take map or atlas and read about India, don't forget to locate the Maldives and find out the channel between Maldives and Lakshadweep, and also locate where 8-degree channel is located, and also locate where 10-degree channel is located. Every year you may expect one question from this area. And the capital of the Maldives is Mali. Now let's compare the constitution of Maldives with India. Maldives has presidential republic, whereas India has parliamentary form of republic or parliamentary republic. In Maldives, President is the head of the government as well as head of the state. Head of the government as well as head of the state. Whereas in India, head of the state is President of India, whereas head of the government is Prime Minister. It is an important difference. And also another important difference between the constitution of India and Maldives is election pattern or election procedure to the president. Direct elections are held to the post of president of Maldives every 5 years once. The same thing happens in India. Every 5 years once election is held, but the manner of election is indirect election. Indirect election is held to the president of India post every 5 years once. It's the second important difference. Now let's discuss the third important difference. In Maldives, any individual can become president of India, but not more than two terms. Not more than 2 terms. But in India, any person can become president for more than 2 terms. You can say unlimited number of times. Constitution places no restrictions on the number of terms for the presidential election in India. That's all about comparison of Constitution of Maldives and India. Thank you for watching our current affairs video lecture. If you are interested to join our Target IAS 2016 batch online video lectures, email us or send interest to via WhatsApp. Our phone number is 809-809-9922. Join our online course in November month and get a discount of 20% on all the courses. Thank you.